We are in Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's a Saturday morning, it's 10 o'clock. Not too many people here at the moment, but look, the place is designed for tourism. Restaurants, bars. What temperature would you say it is? I know you're saying freezing, but what temperature? 8 degrees, yeah.
Actually, once you are in, it's okay. It's the first moment, it's awful.
Yeah, but your skin goes numb.
But then you just can't feel anything, yeah.
The reality is, it is a tourist trap, but it's not that expensive. I mean, this iced coffee cost €2.50. There's a lifeguard here. You gotta pick your time to come here. Be careful. Try to do it at a time of year or a time of day when it won't be so busy. Yeah. Okay, so finally, I'm in the waterfalls. We're not walking back up, we're going by tractor train. Well, we were. What happened? Something happened? Now we are in Mostar and we're going to see a few things. We're going to see the bridge, which it's famous for. We're coming up to the bridge apparently, so I'm told. Not sure if I can see it here. Okay, so there's a bridge on that side. Yeah, we think that somebody jumped a little while ago because there was some clapping.
It's 32 meters high.
Yeah, the
and
bridge.
And the water is only 5 meters
deep.
So
Yeah. So we're now at the top, but locals here collect money from tourists like us, and then they jump and people take photographs and video it. Having decided to climb the Muslim minaret tower, we walk up the hill. The original minaret here in the mosque dates from 1618, but it was destroyed in the war here, and it was rebuilt again in 2001. Now we're choosing to go up this as opposed to the other tower here in the town because we feel that this has a bit more history associated with it. We can't go up the minaret while it's prayer time. We have to wait another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Right, so very friendly people.
Shall I count the steps?
Well, yeah, you could. I'm struggling here because I've got a huge rucksack on my back, and for me to fit through this is almost impossible. It's only about 60 centimeters wide, but my left shoulder is rubbing on the inside pillar of the steps. Here are the steps, you can see them there. You know, there's my arm. Look at the river below. And the bridge. Mostar Bridge. And the town. And there is the other tower. The one we're not going to climb, I don't think so. But it looks like the view out of that will be through glass windows. But we can see that there is a church above the mosque here. So, you know, it's two religions which lived side by side at one time. Right, so now score time, laddie. What
10,
score
10,
would you give it?
10.
What's your step?
The nature's going down. Not easy.
A small step off the staircase, and you can come here.
So
15 marks.
7.5
€7.5 per person.
Yeah. It was hard.